What's getting to Amirah Jade back in another video? Period. Hey guys, and happy Thanksgiving. I hope you guys have a really great Thanksgiving. I know this video won't come out till probably like Friday, but yeah, hopefully you guys have had a good Thanksgiving. So right now I'm getting ready for Thanksgiving. This video is basically just gonna be a get ready with me. I might show a little bit of food later, but I'm not really gonna vlog too much because it's just family time. So right now I am about to go ahead and take a shower, brush my teeth and all that stuff. My hair is so frizzy. I think I'm just gonna slick my hair back. I'm gonna take these braids out and just slick it back. And I already know what I'm gonna wear, which I guess I'll show y'all later, but it's just a cardigan and jeans. Oh, Gerald. What? Gerald? Oh, hi, Kitty. Happy Thanksgiving. Bye-bye. Anyways, y'all, I'll be back after I take a shower and all that stuff, and I'll show y'all my outfit. Okay, guys, so I am dressed now. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit before I leave. I'm gonna eat a cookie. Yeah, my mom made banana pudding, and I'm eating the cookie from the banana pudding. So I have this stuff on my face, y'all. I put a lot on my face today because my skin is just horrible right now. So I just want all my blemishes and dark spots to go away. Okay, so I put a lot, and we're gonna see if that does anything. Anyways, so it's 3 o'clock, y'all, and I have an hour till I'm gonna leave to go to my aunt and uncle's house. And then I'll probably leave. I'll probably only stay there for like an hour, and then I'll leave to go to my dad's house. Okay, guys, I'm gonna snack on these cookies real quick, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna do my hair. Like I said, I'm just gonna slick it back. I'm probably gonna do a side part slick back. Oh, we'll see. Hey guys, I'm back. So we are gonna hurry up and try to do my hair because I have 30 minutes until I need to leave so that I can be there on time. So I'm gonna spray my hair to loosen it up. On the other side. I gotta figure out if I want like a deep side part or just like a regular side part. I think I just want a regular side part, like right there. Spray a little bit of water. Then we're gonna brush it out. And then I take some gel. I'm gonna take this brush and start to slick it back. And then I'm gonna take my bristle, my hard brush. I'm gonna take my Grwm snot gel to make it stay slicked. I should have brought my other one. I wasn't thinking. And we're just gonna brush it back. Now this part I really have to use my comb because this is where you get all the bumps out. Simple as that. I'm gonna have to put a little bit more Gorilla Snot later, but right now that's what we're gonna do. Okay, y'all, I'll be back on the other side of the sun because I need to hurry. Hey guys, so it's 4 o'clock now. I'm about to hurry up and get ready to go because, yeah, it's late. I just got done doing my hair, put this little scarf on. I'm about to wash my hands real quick. Hey guys, back with a nice little car background. You already know this is like the normal background. I just made it to my aunt and uncle's house, and actually my papa and grandma just now pulled up, so I'm gonna walk in with them. I feel like I'm early, but like, you know, I'm not early because I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna go walk in because they look like they just now getting out. But yeah, I'm gonna stay here till about 5:30, 6 at the latest, and then I'm gonna go to my dad's house. So I'll be here for about an hour, maybe an hour and a half. My hair is slick. Y'all see it? Okay, it's not really slick in the back though. Yeah, I have problem with slick in the back of my head. So, you know, got the cardigan. I got a white tank top. What is that noise? I don't know. And ripped jeans. Okay, bye y'all, let me go. Hey guys, I am back and I had a very good Thanksgiving with my family. It was great to see all my family that, you know, lives here, my immediate family or whatever, for Thanksgiving. I'm gonna show you guys the food because I did bring some food home. Your girl brought a lot of food home because there's no food in my house. My mom cooked, but she cooked at her boyfriend's house. You know, being home without Thanksgiving food is just like, it's not fun. You know, Thanksgiving leftovers is not fun. So I had to bring some home. So I'm gonna show y'all what I brought home. For one, this is what I brought home just for my aunt and uncles. And then this is what I brought home from my dad's house, just this plate. So yeah, let's see. My grandma was like, I know you got enough food. Yep. But I needed food so I don't have to cook dinner for the rest of the time that I'm home. So I was like, we finna bring home as much as I can. So in this one I got mac and cheese, turkey, green beans, and corn casserole. I don't know what it's called. But yeah, we kind of have the same thing a little bit, but instead it's turkey, green beans, turkey, collard greens, mac and cheese, and potatoes. And then in this little container is some gumbo with some rice my grandma made, and it is bussin'. It's so good. It has like spice, a little bit of spice to it. And then this is just some apple pie and some sweet potato pie. And this is what I brought home from my dad's house. I had enough turkey, so I was like, I'll get some fish. So I brought home some fish, some greens, mac and cheese, and some rice and beans. And then I also brought home a little bit of apple pie too from my dad's house. So we gonna be eating good. But yeah, guys, that's everything that I brought home for leftovers, and this is gonna be my dinner for work tomorrow and work Saturday, and probably my lunch, we'll see. But I gave my cat a little bit because it's Thanksgiving and he needs to, you know, celebrate Thanksgiving too. So I gave him a little bit of turkey, and I think he's happy. He's meowing. He wants to go outside, but it's freezing. Anyways, thanks guys for watching my vlog. Oh yeah, y'all, peep the fit. I think I showed y'all my fit, but yeah, it was a nice little comfy fit. But yeah, hopefully you guys liked the vlog. If you guys did, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe. I want to say, like, y'all, we is growing really fast, and I love it. So yeah, all right guys, I'll see y'all in my next vlog or my next video. Bye y'all.